Hello everyone, welcome back. Thanks for clicking on this video. Today I am breaking down how I made these content walls, everything I use them for, and how you can make your own. Let's get into it. So I posted this reel to my Instagram to see if anybody was interested in how I made these walls, so here's the full video. Before I get started, I have to mention that this is completely from my favorite YouTuber, Matthew Encina. He did this for his studio, and I took the idea and I made it my own, so here is how I made mine. Now, as I said, Matthew Encina is the creator of this, but he didn't leave any blueprints, so I had to wing it for a few things. So I had to whip out my Freeform app on my iPad. Let me start by saying I think this is one of the best apps that Apple has ever created, the Freeform app, because there's literally endless possibilities. So I'm 5'7", and I wanted the walls to be about 6.5 feet by 3 feet wide because I'm only 5'7". Here's a little breakdown of the wood you will need, so 2x4s to create the bases and the middle pieces, as well as the top and bottom. And I also want it to be mobile, so I got the wheels. You can get any wheels that you would like, but I got some regular caster wheels from our favorite place, Home Depot. And I knew one side needed to be wood panels. I wanted to get wood panels just for that aesthetic look, and it's very usable for headshots as well as the backgrounds on YouTube. So lastly is the hardboard to put on the frames to support whatever materials you're going to put on the actual wall. So with all that out of the way and my idea all planned out, it was time to head to Home Depot. Okay, we are back from Home Depot with all of our supplies for this project. I wanted to first lay out the framing before we make any permanent decisions. And it's a pretty simple design. It's 2 pieces on the outside, 1 in the middle to support, and 2 pieces at the top and bottom. Shout out to my bro Paul for helping me with this project as well. Couldn't have done it without you, bro. Appreciate you. As you see here, the frame is all built out, and now we're adding the wheels to the bottom with 2 of the excess pieces from the 2x4s connected and then drilled into the wheels. Here you see us checking the wall stability and if it's wobbly or not, but then I realized once the hardboard and panels are attached, it will be a lot heavier. And here is the hardboard on the wall, screwed in with about 6 to 7 screws on each side. So I finally decided what I wanted to be on the other side of the wall, and I went with some acoustic sound paneling in black so I can use it for backdrops as well as for headshots, so I don't have to buy black backdrop paper. These 12x12 panels are self-adhesive, and not only do they look good, they also help with soundproofing my space. And what is a good DIY without a problem? So here I am trying to figure out why there is extra space in between the panels. I thought it would sit flush, but no big deal. I would just cut a panel and fill in the space. finally got my wood panels in from Wood Veneer Hub, and just being honest, it took 2 months because these things are expensive. I had to buy 4 boxes of them, and each box has 2 in them, and it came out to about $796. The panels arrive at about 8 feet tall, so we had to do some trimming to make them fit the walls with my circular saw. Once the panels were fit, we trimmed off any of the excess wood and felt to give it a flush look. I also painted the tips of the screws black so that it would blend in with the felt on the panels. That is it. Thank you for watching this video. I appreciate your time. Please subscribe if you're into things like this, tech, DIY, and all that good stuff. See you in the next video. I gotta work on my piece. I don't know.